It might be. Oh, here we go. Scree! Yeah, fair point. Alright, this is a not good spawn, but whatever, let's... Sick, alright. I am gonna go lay down in a bush. Time to test. Check that. Yep. Testing. Oh no, it's only in raid. Yeah, it's doing it right now. It must be a... Yeah, online Brexit. Alright, sick. Yeah, it's actively going. Hey, you wanna shoot me in the leg real quick? Oh, there you are. Okay, hold on. I'll come out. Yeah, pop me in the leg. Ow! Oh, you broke it. Oh, well, that works. Help. Hey, hold on, man. I'm testing something real quick. I'm doing a bug report. Nah, he killed me. Well, at least I got the information. Sick. Alright, well. Yeah, that it started to do the thing where it was just sitting there flashing, so I think that works. And I'm gonna stop recording and see if I can't edit that a little bit.